Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect the view of EasyWorship from one laptop to another. So basically for this connection, I'm going to be using an HDMI capture card and my HDMI cable. So this is an example of what I'm telling you here. So this is the HDMI capture card and this is my HDMI cable connected from my primary laptop to my secondary laptop. So firstly on the primary laptop, I'm going to be opening EasyWorship. So when you open EasyWorship, you will need to have either vMix or OBS Studio on the primary laptop, because without those software you can't be able to transfer the view to the other laptop. So after opening vMix, I'm going to be going to edit. Then from edit, I'll go to options. Then on option, I'm going to click on output monitor and change it to NDI stream. If you haven't changed it, it's going to be on monitor 1, but it's because I've changed it before to NDI stream. That's why my view is on NDI stream. So output monitor, then I'll click on OK. So you just have to go back. So I'm going to be making use of vMix, but if you want to make use of OBS, it's your choice. So you come to vMix and click on add input. So now the input here, you come to NDI stroke desktop capture. Then on this place you see EasyWorship Live, then click on it. Okay. So as you can see, EasyWorship has been imported to my vMix successfully. So now in order for me to take this EasyWorship view to my other laptop, I have to connect it just like I said with the HDMI capture card and my HDMI cable. So now my two laptops are connected together. So it's just for me to come to vMix on the other laptop and import the view. So if you like to use OBS for this, also you can also use OBS for this. So for us to bring this in, you just have to come to add input. So when you come to add input, then you come to camera, and on camera go to camera list and click your video card name. So my capture card name is USB video. Then I click on it and click on OK. So it should be connected. Okay, I think I'm having a minor error here. I have to come back to my vMix here and activate my full screen. So if I activate this, it should be able to show. So as you can see now, I now have the view of my of my EasyWorship on my secondary laptop. It's actually on my primary laptop, but with the help of my video card and my HDMI cable, I was able to transfer this view to my secondary laptop. So let me change the song I'm currently displaying. Let's see if it's going to change. Let me go to something else entirely, maybe a scripture or still a song, but another song. Okay, let me change the song. So come back now. As you can see, the song changed, and come back to my secondary laptop, the song changed. So that's just how I can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.